Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Trucking with Tim. Hijacking Harry's channel again. I got a pretty good response to the first video I did for chili, so I want to thank everyone for their encouragement and kind words and all their comments. It was really appreciated, and it's given me a bit of encouragement to do another one. And I just want to double check who made the comment. Kevin Anderson 5658, thank you for your comment suggestion. Kevin said, why don't you try a slow cooker or an air fryer? And I said, yeah, good idea, but I said, I think the air fryer will be too many watts. I spoke to Harry. He actually has an 1800 watt inverter in his truck, so that, I'm sure most of the people who watch this channel are truckers and they know what that means. Just in case you don't know what that means, it means it takes his 12 volts or 24 volts from the truck DC and turns it into 110 volts AC, so he can run things like TVs and slow cookers and air fryers. So I did a quick check on Amazon, as you do, the universal resource that is Amazon, and I found this little guy, and this is only a 900 watt air fryer, and this opens up the possibilities of what you can cook. You can cook just about everything in this. So what do I want to cook? Well, the title of the video and the t-shirt gives it away. Beans on toast. I know we get quite a few American viewers now, not just the UK viewers, and that's fantastic. So the American guys, you're not going to understand just what beans on toast means to a British guy. Okay, it is a meal. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it in the afternoon, you can have it for your dinner or your tea at tea time, and it's just something that we have a lot. We have a lot of beans on toast. We have beans with our breakfast. We'll have chips, egg and beans as a main meal. We do love our beans, but they're not the same beans that you get in the US. What we find over here is that the beans are pork and beans, so they have too much sugar in, they have too much salt in, they have the addition of pork, and it can be just pork flavouring, and it just means the beans get too powerful as a taste. The taste is too powerful really for beans on toast. So we have to buy these in. These are probably the biggest brand in the UK, Heinz baked beans. Why they don't sell them in the US, I don't know. Heinz do sell some type of bean, but it's not the British beans like this. These are expensive. Okay, so we're looking at $4 a can if I buy singles. If I get 24 at a time off Amazon, I can get them for around about $2 a can, so it's not too bad. So let's look at what we've got to do to make beans on toast using microwave that Harry's got in his truck and this little air fryer that he's also going to have in his truck. So I'm sure we can make toast in this. Never done it before, flying by the seat of my pants. I've got an extra slice of bread out because I'm probably going to burn the first one. But let's take a look. Okay, so I think the first thing we do here is we've got to power this on. And do we give it some time? Oh, not really sure what we do here. Okay, so it's set for 15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. I guess it'll take a little bit of time to warm up. While we're doing that, let's get some of these guys in the microwave as well. So Harry might not be able to do this at the same time like I'm going to be doing, because I say it's got 1800 watts. I'm just going to have a half a can. The other half can go back into his fridge for another day. I'm just going to put that on lightly. Right, how are we doing in here? Are we warmed up? Yeah, we're warmed up. So I'm only going to get one slice of bread in there. So it's going to be a little bit of trial and error for him. But okay, we're back in. Let's see how we do. Okay, that's my beans done. So the beans are ready to go. Let's see what we're looking like in here. Okay, we got toast. So let's get the other slice in. Then we're good to go. Okay, so I think we're about done. Just want to let you know what this is like on the outside. So it's been running almost 10 minutes now, and it's warm on the outside, but it's not hot. It's hotter at the back where the fan exit is, but yeah, I think overall this is very compatible with the truck. I would say, you know, you don't have to worry about damaging anything. Underneath's fine, yeah. So there we go. Second bit of toast done. So we can now unplug that. It's done its job. So now I'm going to get a little bit controversial, okay? I'm going to start with butter. Not too controversial for sure. Got to have butter. It's got to be, in the UK, it's got to be Lurpak or Kerrygold. We can get Kerrygold here in the States, and that's what I'm putting on. Now, how much butter you put on? Well, I like more butter than bread, as you can see. Butter and beans, wow, go together great. So that's my butter. Next bit of controversy, are you a on top or on the side guy? Yeah? Sue likes it on the side, I like it on top. So that's where my beans are going. Right on top of there. No problem. Beautiful. Okay, let's turn the controversy up a bit. Cheese or no cheese? Yeah, well, I'm a cheese guy, okay? But not too much. I'm not Scottish. We don't want to go overboard, do we? Yeah? I'm talking to you, Gary. You know who I'm talking to. That's just enough, just enough. Bit of cheesy beans. Okay? And now we're going to take controversy to the maximum level. Brown sauce or not brown sauce? I'm a brown sauce guy. So the American viewers, think of a mix between, or a cross between barbecue sauce and steak sauce. That's what brown sauce is. And it has got to go on your beans and cheese. So there we go. Trucking cooking, beans on toast using this little air fryer. So this was used like new off Amazon. Should have been $60. We got it for $28. I think what had happened is someone had got it home, took it out of the box, took a look at it and said it's too small. It's perfect. So I'm thinking Harry can cook all sorts in this. Steak, sausages, bacon, chips, warm up some pizza, everything. It's a little mini oven. But for now, I'm going to tuck into my breakfast And yeah, have a great weekend, guys. Have a great week. And the videos from Harry are going to start coming next week. So enjoy that. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. And yeah, thanks for the encouragement and thanks for watching. See you all later.